Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I hope all of you are having a fantastic day today. And in today's video we are just going to be doing a burgundy eye with a bold burgundy lip, I guess you can say. I know it kind of looks like plum, so plum slash burgundy lip as well. I don't know why I keep pointing here. Obviously you guys know where my lips are. In case you didn't know, they're right here and they're burgundy today. I know, I always say like I love nude lipstick so much, but this lipstick, it's honestly so pretty and it's just in time for fall. Like, can you guys believe it? It's already October, literally the best month of the year, because then I can truly have up my Halloween decorations and no one's gonna say anything. I mean, I only live with my fiance and our animals. It's not like they're gonna be like, hey, why is there a little ghost hanging right there? I'll be like, Marbles, mind your own business. That's why the little ghost is hanging there. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this burgundy eye with this bold burgundy lip, then just stay tuned. We'll just stay tuned, guys. Stay on tuned. Alright guys, so I already have my eyebrows and all my skin stuff on. I promise you in a future video I'll show you how I do my eyebrows and all my skin and everything. But today we're just going to focus on the eyes. And for starters, I'm going to be priming with Soft Ochre by MAC. It's one of their eyelid primers. And I really like this dude because it has a very long wear time. I believe it is 12 hours. I haven't worked at MAC in a minute, but I believe it was 12 hours. And it just doesn't crease up your shadows, and it honestly makes the shadows like pop. Like, it shows the color that's going to be on your lid. It's going to look good. When I use this product, I just take it on my middle finger and I just start to pack it on. I just feel like I have more control with my finger than I would with a brush. Awesome. And I'm just going to go do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, so I have the primer on both of my eyelids. Now let's get ready for the shadows. Ew. So the first one I'm going to be going in with is Soft Brown by MAC. Let me just do a swatch. Alright, so it's probably a really bad swatch, but it's just a transition shade that I'm going to be putting in my crease. Obviously you can tell it's one of my favorites. It's literally almost gone, but I already have a backup, so don't worry you guys. We already got a backup on. Right in my drawer. So I'm just going to take this brush. This is from Wet n Wild, I believe. Yeah, Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to coat it on there like so. I want a good amount. And tap off just a little bit. And I'm going to start by just putting it in the crease. Bam. Alright, I'm going to go do the same thing to the other eye. Honestly, Soft Brown is seriously so pretty. Even if you just put this in your crease and then put on some mascara and leave, you're good. This is all you would need. But today, we're going all out. So I'll be going in with this fluffy brush. And let me double check the shade. I'll be going in with Brown Script from MAC. Another good classic. I'm just going to start by putting this in the outer crease and take it up to the crease just a little bit for our look. Alright, it already looks so cute so far, so I'm going to go do the same thing to the next eye. Okay, so now that I have that shade all over the lid, I just want to darken it up, so I'm going to be going with another shade, but for now, I'm just taking my Wet n Wild brush from before, and it doesn't have any new product or anything. I just want to make sure everything's going to be blended out. Now, everything doesn't look perfect so far, but it looks pretty good to me. I hope it looks just as good as it does right now and it's pulling on camera. Okay. That looks really good so far, but I want it to be deeper. I want to see burgundy. So, one of my favorite shades from MAC, besides Soft Brown, which obviously you can tell because it had, you can see pan. This one is I'm Into It by E.L.F Cosmetics. It's just the perfect burgundy shade. Okay, so hopefully that swatch will give you guys the idea of how beautiful this shade is. It's just, it's not too brown, it's not too red, it's just what you're looking for when you're looking for a perfect like burgundy color. So go to MAC. I'm going to start with this brush. I'm just going to be putting it on my brush like so, just on one side. And I'm going to start by just packing this all over the lid. Okay, so now that I have that all over the lid, it's obviously unblended. So I'm just gonna go in with a shade that's pretty close to a mixture of brown script and I'm Into It, which is Folie by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm going in with a very, very small detailing crease brush. This is from E.L.F, I know. Look at that. Detailed crease brush. Isn't that basically what I said? Look at me. I work there. Duh. So I'm just going to start by blending the colors together. And I'm using a small one just because I want to make sure that I'm going to be able to get in there and make sure everything is blended out versus a big one. Sometimes it'll just make it look kind of messy. Okay, so now that we have the I'm Into It shade all over the lid, I'm really loving how this little burgundy smoky eye is going so far, but it is not complete until you put on your eyeliner and your mascara, and then obviously some other steps, but we'll get there. So first, I'm going in with eyeliner. I'm using a liquid liner. This is from E.L.F Cosmetics, my favorite liner probably of all time. I feel like I've talked about it in every single video, and maybe I will forever until a company makes a better eyeliner that's $2 and, you know, super pigmented. So I'm just gonna do a wing today, and yeah. So I'm gonna start from right here and drag it out. I make it a little thicker towards the end, and then I'm going to go in and make it thinner the closer I get to my inner corner. It's so funny because when I do my eyeliner, I feel like I don't even breathe because I'm so concentrated on not messing up. Now I'm just gonna go do the same thing I did here to my other, and we'll be right back to do the wing. Okay, so now that I'm ready for my wing, I just added some more product to it. And how I like to do my wings is just following the lower lash line out. So I draw the line and I'm like, okay, that's going to be a pretty decent wing because you can always add or take away any length. And then I just coated the brush one more time just to make sure I'm going to have a lot of product. I'm just making sure it's going to look good. And I just basically drag it down this way. Okay, so I have my wing on. I didn't clean it up or anything. I'm just going to go do the same thing to the other eye and be back in a sec. You guys know the drill by now. Okay, so off camera, I put on my eyeliner, my wing, and then I also went in with some mascara. For today's mascara, I went in with the primer that I used last time. This is from MAC Cosmetics. It's their False Lash Maximizer, basically their lash primer. And then today I went in with MAC Cosmetics mascara in their In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Mascara. What a name, what a name. But when I did work at MAC, this was seriously my favorite mascara like ever. Let me show you the wand. So I really like this mascara because I don't know if you can see the top, but it kind of has like a little bit of points around it, so I really like it. So if anything gets clumpy, I just go in and just kind of make all my lashes look very individual. And it just looks like it wouldn't give you like volume and make it look like you're wearing false lashes, but this mascara has truly changed my life. It's a little bit pricier, but if you're just wanting to spend a little bit more money on a good mascara, this one from MAC is one of my faves. So next I'm gonna finish our smoky eye with smoking out the under eye. So I'm going in with one of my favorite flat brushes. This one I just like to use to smudge out, and I'm not gonna go in with soft brown. I'm going in with brown script right here. Put it right there on the brush. Tap off any excess. I am just going to start by placing it on the under eye. A bam. Okay, so next I'm going in with that shade I'm Into It by E.L.F Cosmetics. Sorry, I didn't want to put down my brush. Or my brush. Didn't want to put down my mirror. Yeah, because this is a brush, isn't it? Yeah, totally. So just going in with I'm Into It on that same brush and smoking out the under eye. And I'm just doing it kind of by sections. Like I take it in the outer, take it in the middle, and then towards the front you'll have less product, so it just kind of won't look as harsh in the front. And then I just kind of blend it all together. Alright, and then for one of the few last final steps, I'm going in with this eyeliner. I almost need a new one. This is from E.L.F Cosmetics in the shade Smolder. Truly a dark and creamy eyeliner. And I'm just going to put that right in the waterline. Okay, so now that I have my under eye going on, I literally went in with just Smolder, and then I'm Into It underneath the eye just to get it like a dark, blown out, smoky eye look. And I'm loving how it looks. This is looking super fall. So next I'm just going to highlight my inner corner, just something so simple. And I'm just going to go in with this pencil brush, I almost use this as my mirror. Yeah, girl, because that's going to work. That's going to be it. And I'm just going to go in and highlight right here, just to add a little bit of highlight into our super dark look. Okay, so I kind of want it to be a little brighter, so I'm going to try going in with Ice Cold by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. One of my favorite highlighters ever. Let's see if we can get this just to pop just a tiny bit more. Alright guys, so I mean it's just something so subtle. You don't honestly have to go in with the second highlight. I honestly don't feel like it made a big difference, but I just wanted to see, and yeah, it didn't make that big of a difference. So now all we need is a lipstick to put on, and I'll be going in with this dark lip right here. It's from E.L.F Cosmetics. We have Media. Truly like a dark plum color. It's one of my favorite lipsticks from E.L.F. That's not a nude. This is my favorite like non-nude lipstick from E.L.F. And current lip liner to go with it. So let's just get it started. Alright guys, and here is the finished look of a burgundy smoky eye with a deep dark burgundy lip, I guess you can say. A burgundy eye and a burgundy lip. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Honestly, this look is truly a fall look in my opinion. So you can wear this going out to dinner. Just make sure you bring your lipstick if you need to do any touching up, or just make sure you don't eat any pasta. Literally when I said dinner, the first thing I thought of was the Olive Garden. Doesn't that sound so good right now? Breadstick and a big bowl of pasta. I'm supposed to be on a diet. But that sounds good. But I'm not going to do it. So thank you guys just so much. I know I already said that, but any support that you guys have been giving me is just literally, it makes my heart flutter. Like this is my heart and it's fluttering, and I'm just so happy that everybody enjoys watching my content. And don't worry, I'm not gonna stop. I'm just gonna keep uploading whatever's on my mind. And this week it's just been fall. Honestly, it's October now, so let's just get it going. And I hope you guys all have a great day and a great week, and thank you so much. Bye.